Xero Pure Max Plus. Did something kind of fun with this, where I added grip tape to this, and so when I put it down there, it doesn't mess up any paint. I put it down here too. Therefore, it just doesn't have any sort of paint get messed up. Just wanted to keep it looking good. Today, I have a commercial job that has a lot of different elements to it. I'm gonna use water fed pull outside. Screens all don't come out from the inside easy, so I have to pull some of the windows, clean the windows like that. I'll show you a little bit about that. But mostly just a chill cleaning video, kind of like what I used to put out a lot of, so figured I'd take you along. So I'm gonna bring my Xero Pure Max Plus because the water quality there sucks. So I need an RO system for that. Bring my reel, bring my 30-foot pole, my regular squeegees, all that good stuff, and get going. As you guys know, I don't have my van anymore, so I operate fully out of my truck. So I'm gonna leave all the water fed stuff back here, my system, my reel. Oh, let me unlock that. And what's nice, I can pretty much keep everything else in here, including my micro water fed pole. I got everything else in here. I got 2 micros. They pretty much reach everything that I do. So I just leave them in here. I have my hoses over there. So really set to go with any water fed work. And yeah, let's get going. Bucket of goodies. So, as I've been telling you guys, I've been using Crazy Larry's for a while. Let's see, I have 3 gallons in here. I'll do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, however much that is. And I've been loving the solution. It's admittedly a little expensive. I mean, it's $24.99 for this, but I've really been enjoying it. Working good. See the pressure. Only at about 45 psi. of people ask me all the time, hey, why are you water fetting such an easy window to get to? And all that is that if I have the water fed pole out already, I'm just gonna do the lowers of the water fed too. I'm not gonna switch to my hand tools. Hit that question a lot on videos that are just like one window. And it's just the thought of like, why would I switch the tools? A lot of people that make the comments on social media don't take any perspective of what the job could actually be, which is totally understandable because you see a very limited part of it. But like this job, I could totally switch to my hand tools for the first floor, but it's pointless when I already have the water fed pole out for all of it. So that's why sometimes you see people water fed really easy windows, is because exactly that reason. That's an interesting job. Takes me about 2.5 hours alone. Not bad at all for how large of a building is. That's one of those jobs where you have to like figure it out a couple times. Take a couple times of frustration with the screens, and you realize, okay, yeah, I do this, and that, and it's pretty quick. So it's a nice one. But yeah, a lot of different like things here and there as far as like taking out windows. I don't mean to sound guru-ish and stuff, but I've talked about it before on my channel, is be adaptable at like different jobs. Like don't ever make it where you have to clean outside first or have to clean inside first. Like this place, you kind of have to, you know, jump around a little bit, and that actually makes it easier. Having like a system as far as like, this is the way that you're gonna do every commercial job, it doesn't make sense. You want to have, you know, systems as far as like, this is what we mainly do, but there's some jobs that once you figure them out, you kind of go outside of your norm and do it that way, and it's actually a lot better for the job. So like that one, they have a whole building that I do, and then I water fed the outside. While that all dries up, I go and clean a whole different area, like a shop they have, and then I come back, put all the screens back, and at that time I can check the windows. But those windows always come out perfect water fed. So as you can see, like in the video, I go through, I clean all the frames. That's why I love water fed, especially at that job, is they have these green frames that look really good once they're all thoroughly agitated and rinsed off, and the job just looks really, really good every time I'm done. So customer's happy, I'm happy, and kind of a fun video like I used to make. I don't make a lot of these anymore, and I won't, but here and there when I have a good project, I will make some of these fun videos, because I know it's good to see some of the different situations that for newbies that you're not used to, and seeing someone who's done this for a bit can help. I have done it for a bit, I can say that. So Hope you're all having a good spring. A little reminder, as always, I am a sales rep with Window Cleaning Resource. If you need help with equipment or window cleaning advice, feel free to give me a call at 970-599-1437. That is the best way to get a hold of me, is call or text my phone number. You can also email me, steveo@windowcleaningresource.com. Instagram, Facebook, I check those pretty well. Instagram the least. So if you contact me there, Instagram does a really weird thing too, where like they hide messages from me. So if you're not getting answers from me on Instagram, hit me up on text or like whatever. Some of y'all are international. Sometimes it can be hard, but I do my best as far as that goes. But oh man, it's so nice to have it be nice weather, and I just love this time of year. It's kind of like intermittent where we get a kind of a cold day, nice warm day. Today is, gosh, what are we hitting? 82 degrees today. Ooh, doesn't feel that bad, but yeah. I hope you all having a good spring. I know you all are. I know you all are crazy ass busy right now. So keep on chugging along, and before you know it, we're gonna be in July, and you guys all get a nice little break in July, and we'll be back into fall before we know it, man. This year's gonna be over. This year has flown by. So, all right, y'all. We'll catch you next time. Peace.